Good morning, kids. How are you all? All are fine? Good. Kids, you are doing a wonderful job. I have seen your work. Every one of you have done very good. Congratulations. Well done. So, now let's do another work. Today I am here to teach you how to write letter B. Few days ago you heard the story of letter B for Pooja ma'am. She told you what is the sound of letter B. Can any one of you tell me? Yes, the sound of alphabet B is B. B, ba. So now let's see how to write letter B in our integrated book. Here we have a butterfly, butterfly, and we have to make this butterfly a beautiful butterfly through thumb impression. Let's see how we do it. Let's take a red color from the bottle in our palette or plate. Now we are going to take an impression of this color on our thumb like this, and then we press this color in the circle. But you have to be careful because you have to do thumb impression only in these circles. If you do your color thumb impression here, it will look very bad. Okay? Again, see, take color on your thumb and press it in a circle like this. See here, I have filled each and every circle with my thumb impression. Now what we are going to do, we take any color and fill in between like this. See here, I have completed my butterfly. But her face has left. So now I am taking another color and coloring her face. Here, our butterfly is ready. See how beautiful our butterfly is? Okay, now let's see how to write letter B. First, we will make a standing line. Then from the center, turn reverse C. This is our B. B, B. Again, make a standing, center, turn, make a reverse C, come down, touch. Again, standing, turn, come down, touch, B. Like this, we will write our full page. Now, let's see how to write letter B in our notebook. Parents, as we know, first line is for transcription, then for the pattern, first tracing, then 3 dots, 2 dots, 2 dots, 1 dot, and by their own. So let's see how to write letter B. First, we will make a standing line from the first red line down to the last blue line. Now, from the middle blue line, we make a curve like this and come down to the second blue line and join. This is B, ba. Again, make a standing, curve from center line to the last line, B. Now on the tracing, you can ask them to join the line from red line to blue line like this. Now you can ask them from the center blue line dot, they can make a curve, come down to the last blue line and join till dot. Again make a line from center blue line, second blue line, make a curve and join on the last blue line. Please pay attention while they write this letter. They should not make this curve out of the blue line like this. This will be the wrong formation. They have to write it properly in between the lines. Standing from first blue line to second blue line, curve. Kids, now you have learned how to write letter B. So we will going to meet again next time. Bye bye.